Zapable Review 2021. How to make mobile apps. Make sure you watch this before you buy Zapable. In this Zapable review video, I will be taking you through this amazing mobile app building software that helps you to make mobile apps within minutes. I have included the link to get this awesome Zapable software at an amazing discount below this video. Kindly click on it to get started immediately. But before I continue, I want to say that if you are on this channel for the first time, kindly click on the subscribe and notification buttons on this channel so that anytime we upload educative and inspiring videos or reviews of some very amazing products like Zapable software, you can see it almost immediately. Also, remember to like, share and comment on this video. Introduction. In the world we live in today, mobile apps are of utmost importance in our businesses. It's not only are they relevant to make business customer network communication to flow better, but they also help to generate more rates of conversion, hereby leading to more sales in business. A mobile app can move your business forward no matter what kind of business you are into, whether it's food delivery, e-commerce, or any other kind of business. Now, a mobile app can be built for your business even you don't have the requisite coding skills for that. This is where a mobile app building software comes into place and is needed. Guess what? Professionally quality mobile apps can be designed with ease in minutes. By doing so, this will help to make your businesses be more interactive and even generate more money, sales and extra capital to ease the funding of your business. Content. What is Zapable? Features of Zapable. Amazing things you can do with Zapable. What is Zapable? Zapable is a mobile app building software that helps you make mobile apps within few minutes. By making use of this, apps can be built without the need of any technical or coding skills, and all of these with just a few clicks. This software consists of an easy drag and drop builder to design your app exactly the way you want it to be. Further, with its feature-rich interface, you get to customize and design to a great extent. For instance, it allows you to do social media integrations, e-commerce integrations, add coupon codes, loyalty cards, and much more. No matter whatever niche you are operating in, whether it's food business you are into, or real estate business, or even personal branding apps, with Zapable you can build everything. What makes Zapable peculiar mobile app building software is that it makes it possible for you to publish your app right from within the software. The implication of this is that your mobile app can be published to different app stores directly after it is created. Mobile apps that are built with Zapable also makes it possible for you to integrate push notifications, image galleries, etc. So now, app can be created in a way that takes care of the interests of your target audience. Features. Zapable comes loaded with special features to assist you build mobile apps that your customers will definitely love. This is the reason why, no matter the niche or type of business you are operating in, with this amazing software that is rich in these features, you are covered. Some of the features that come along with the Zapable package are listed as follows. E-commerce integrations. Do you have products that you want to sell, or are you an affiliate marketer who sells for other brands? Then your store can be integrated within the mobile app that you create with Zapable. Your Shopify store can be imported. You can build your own Amazon or iTunes store for audiobooks or podcasts, etc. Your Amazon products can be added that you do affiliate marketing for. Then, with that, you will be able to earn a commission whenever someone buys the product. Moreover, a custom catalog can be created if you have your own products to sell. Digital loyalty cards and coupon codes. This special feature is ideal for use by salons, restaurants and cafes, physical shops, theaters, etc. With Zapable, you can give your audience ready-made, digital loyalty cards and coupons that is customized for them. First, coupons can be created and discounts set within the mobile app. Then, it's left to you to decide the exact specifications of coupons that you need. For example, what are the terms upon which you want the discount coupons to be valid? What's the quantity and on which items will they be applicable, etc. Social media integrations. The value and importance of the social media in this age cannot be overemphasized. If your plan is to go fully digital with your business, then you cannot afford to overlook putting your business on social media. With this amazing mobile app building software, it is much more easier than ever before to integrate social media for your business. Now, your users will be able to explore your social media pages right from within your app. So whether your Twitter feed, Instagram, Facebook fan page, or your Flickr photo gallery, with Zapable all of these can be imported into your mobile app just with few clicks only. Drag and drop builder. The layout of your apps can be controlled with their easy-to-use widget system. With this, you can choose where the different elements, such as images, icons, etc., appear in your mobile app. The unique design module of Zapable allows you to fully customize the appearance of your mobile app. If you would like a certain element to be in a particular way, just drag and drop it to modify the look of your mobile app. Email marketing integrations. Do you want more email subscribers? Then with Zapable, you are at the very right place. This mobile app building software does not just only help you to build plain mobile apps. Zapable also comes with revolutionary email marketing tools integrations. Powerful services like MailChimp, Aweber, Infusionsoft, GetResponse can be combined, and many much more with your mobile app. I have included the link to get this awesome Zapable software at an amazing discount below this video. Kindly click on it to get started immediately. Other features. The Zapable package is really packed with features designed to take care of every kind of business. With this software, you can also create a listings page, add a location finder, videos, contact details page, etc. Push notifications can also be generated. Allow your customers to book appointments, build directories, and fast customer support channels. Also, surveys, polls, and questionnaires can be created for your audience within the app. Amazing things you can do with Zapable. Zapable is much more than just a mobile app builder. With its extensive range of features, stellar app can be designed for your business to take it to another level altogether. These extraordinary features can boost engagement, increase conversions and sales by marketing your business the right way. But this is everything yet. Please see some of the amazing things you can do with the Zapable software. 1. Increase user engagement. With Zapable, your audience can be engaged different number of ways. Some of these include discount coupons, loyalty cards, surveys, etc. Also, your audience can be directly engaged through social media integrations. 2. Zapable's in-house training guide provides tutorials to master each of the features it offers. So, the potential of every feature to design a powerful app can be maximized. Also, your mobile app marketing strategy can be optimized through the optimum use of each feature. 3. Publish the app that you build directly to various app stores, including Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Zapable also comes with an inbuilt iOS publisher. 4. Publish different forms of content, news, audio, images, blogs, videos, reviews, etc., to communicate and interact with your target audience. Moreover, you can publish all of this right from within the app. 5. Sell products as an affiliate or as a vendor. If you are an influencer or even an Amazon affiliate, integrate your affiliate product store in the mobile apps built using Zapable. 6. Restrict the access to your app. This way you can decide the people who can download your app and have access to it. Also, you can ask your audience to subscribe to your channel, newsletter, etc., before they can be able to download your app. 7. Add call to actions. Let your customers book appointments, contact you or find you, shop, reserve a table, all via the mobile app. Kindly take a look to know some of the special components of the Zapable package. Build up to 25 mobile apps each month. 20+ backgrounds and templates, complete design module, 12+ content features, social media integrations, CTAs and user engagement features, free access to updates. Additionally, kindly note that after you buy the software, you will get instant access to your account. So, you can immediately begin creating mobile apps for your business no matter the niche where you are operating. The package also comes with a 30 days money-back guarantee. Therefore, you can try the software risk-free for 30 days. Then after this, if you are not satisfied with the way it functions, you can get a full refund without any issues. Listen to what some of Zapable customers are saying. Over $10,497 earned. Zapable is an innovative platform and they have helped add value to my business. And quite simply, they build and deliver software that really works. Zapable has helped me earn over $10,497 within the past 3 months. Basically, I am just an everyday guy. I am not an expert or technically inclined, but when I find something that works for me, I stick with it. Zapable have made it really easy even for a complete newbie like me to build beautiful-looking mobile apps for local businesses. And the really cool thing is that local businesses love them too. Zapable has constantly been updated with new features and improvements to existing features. Joining Zapable is one of the best decisions I have ever made. Mark Burden. Zapable changed my life. I just want to give my highest recommendations for Zapable. I was looking for a way to build apps for our children's school and local companies, but it was too costly and complicated until I found Zapable. Zapable is so easy to use such that even as a newbie I had my first app ready within a few hours. They have simple step-by-step training and done-for-you templates that I just clone and modify with the features that I need. If you ever consider building mobile apps, I just say go for Zapable. Johan Larsson earned $5,900 in 3 months. I just want to give a big shout out to Zapable. It has helped me to earn over $5,900 within the past 3 months. I am not very technically inclined, but Zapable made it really easy for a complete newbie like me to build beautiful looking mobile apps. Remus Hanganu. Never thought that I could create an app. Hi, I just want to say that I really like this Zapable stuff. I have actually not made an app before, but right now I am actually making my first one as I go through this awesome training. Zapable is great. I am very happy to have joined Zapable, and I am looking forward making my ideas come to life. Thanks Zapable guys. Tim. 7 clients paying £203 per month. Made new clients purely by video demo of Zapable. As a person who has been struggling online to make a living, I have found Zapable as a source of blessing. I have been standing on the fence and doing nothing with my membership because I did not have the courage to take the first step. I went to a networking meeting and was able to gain as many as 7 clients, all of them churches, and in one day. I am charging them a setup fee of £199 and a monthly fees of £29. I don't even have a website yet. Here I was thinking that my price was a lot, and all I did was demo one video and the sale was done. Thanks Zapable. Benjamin Obiamawe. Conclusion. So you need to get started and start making mobile apps like a pro. Whether for your business or for a client, this amazing mobile app building software helps you to create apps that are unique and makes a difference. Mobile apps are popular to get increased and higher conversions and sales than even websites. And Zapable creates a suitable environment and brings you to that right place to leverage mobile app marketing. So make sure you try out this mobile app building software today to accelerate the growth of your business now. I have included the link to get this awesome Zapable software at an amazing discount below this video. Kindly click on it to get started immediately. Lastly, if you have not subscribed yet to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe and notification buttons so that anytime we upload educative and inspiring videos or reviews of some very amazing products like Zapable software, you can see it almost immediately. Also, remember to like, share and comment on this video.